Hey everyone, today I want to show you something that I think fundamentally changes how developers work day to day. We are going to take a look at WorkIQ. By the way, it is available both as a CLI and also as it's running locally inside VS Code. WorkIQ keeps you in the flow of your work so you never have to context switch out into Microsoft Teams or Outlook or Microsoft 365 Copilot chat just to get something done. Let me walk you through the scenario that I'm demonstrating. So here I'm in VS Code working on a project that bridges Azure Voice Live API with Twilio for outbound calling scenarios. It involves real-time audio streaming, speech-to-text, generative AI. It's fairly specialized stuff. I'm at this point where I want to raise a PR and have it reviewed, but I don't just want anyone. I need to make sure that people I assign are deep tech in generative AI and all the topics that I just mentioned. I would actually typically reach out to solution engineers. So let me go ahead and trigger the whole process. I'm going to ask WorkIQ to identify and locate the right people. So let me hashtag WorkIQ and target this question. I have a prompt that is already created. Let me just go ahead and run that here. I'm asking it to look for colleagues who are solution engineers based in India, deep tech skills in the area that we just discussed. Okay, and let me go ahead and give it a spin. Normally, what I would do is that I would hop out to Teams, search around, maybe ping a few people, open Outlook to check their calendars, then come back to VS Code and set things up in GitHub. That's three or four context switches and it completely breaks my flow. But now I don't have to leave VS Code at all. So WorkIQ comes back with a list of people who match that profile. Okay, so here it has come back with a list of people. Okay, so I can look over the names of the people, their titles, and what are their areas of specialization. So having done this, I next need to make sure they're available during the time when I raise the PR. I don't want to pile work on someone who's booked solid this week. So I ask WorkIQ to help me out here. So I'm asking it to check their calendars for the current week. Okay, so here you go. So it tells me that they are indeed available this week and next week too. So I have all the information right in front of me. So I'm going to ask it to add them as PR reviewers. So now bear in mind that we are not looking at WorkIQ, but I'm going to use the GitHub MCP servers to get this task accomplished. Okay, so it thinks I have a PR already. So I think we are having a conversation. So let me give it some more pointers. Okay, I want them added as code owners. Okay, so now it's going to see if there is a file that already exists. It's going to look up their GitHub usernames. Okay, proceed with Sudarshan. Okay, so there you go. It has gone ahead and added them as code owners to this particular repo. In fact, here is where it has made those changes, so which is great. So now let's step back and look at what just happened. I was able to search for domain experts across my organization, verify their calendar availability, resolve their GitHub handles, and configure them as code reviewers on the project. That's WorkIQ and GitHub MCP server working together right inside the GitHub Copilot agent panel of VS Code. No context switching to Teams, no tab hopping to Outlook, no breaking your flow. Everything a developer needs to collaborate, discover, action on, it's right there in their flow of work. Thanks for watching.